Welcome back to Tool Mentorship. Are you ready to elevate your woodworking projects with precision and ease? Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for every woodworker: right-angle clamps. If you've been frustrated with misaligned joints or struggling to keep materials perfectly square, this video is for you. I'll review the top 5 best right-angle clamps you can grab from Amazon. These clamps are not just tools. They're game changers for anyone serious about crafting flawless 90-degree joints, whether it's for furniture, picture frames, or cabinets. Stay with me because I'll guide you through each product's features, benefits, and why they might be the perfect addition to your toolkit. And remember, all the product links are in the description box below and the pinned comment for your convenience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool reviews. Let's jump right in and find the perfect clamp for you. Housolution Right Angle. Let's kick things off with the Housolution Right Angle clamp, a standout tool known for its robust construction and user-friendly design. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, this clamp is built to last. It's lightweight enough for easy handling, yet sturdy enough to handle heavy-duty projects. One of its best features is the quick-release mechanism, allowing you to adjust and secure materials effortlessly. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, this feature saves time and eliminates the hassle of constant readjustments. The Housolution clamp boasts rotating jaws that adapt to materials of varying thicknesses, making it versatile for projects like assembling furniture, picture frames, and even more intricate woodworking tasks. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm and comfortable grip, so you can work longer without straining your hands. Additionally, this clamp is designed for precision. Its square joints guarantee perfect alignment every time, giving you a professional finish. Customers love its compact size, which makes it easy to store and carry around. At its price point, it offers excellent value for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Casimir 90-degree corner clamp. Next up, we have the Casimir 90-degree corner clamp, a versatile and durable tool that caters to a wide range of projects. Crafted with reinforced steel, this clamp offers exceptional durability while remaining lightweight and easy to use. What sets the Casimir clamp apart is its anti-slip rubber grips. These provide superior stability and comfort, ensuring your materials stay in place during use. The adjustable jaws make it suitable for materials of varying sizes, from small wooden pieces to larger, more complex assemblies. This clamp is perfect for picture frames, cabinet assembly, and even light metalworking tasks. Its affordability is another major draw, offering premium performance without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to woodworking, the Casim clamp is a reliable choice. SEDI 90-degree right angle clamp. For those who value simplicity and efficiency, the SEDI 90-degree right angle clamp is an excellent option. This clamp is designed with high-strength steel, ensuring long-lasting durability even with regular use. The compact design makes it a great choice for smaller projects, while its rotating spindle allows for precise adjustments to accommodate different material sizes. Whether you're working on furniture repairs or assembling small crafts, this clamp guarantees consistent results. What's more, the SEDI clamp is incredibly budget-friendly, making it accessible for hobbyists and professionals alike. Despite its affordability, it doesn't compromise on quality, delivering reliable performance every time. Wichun Woodworking 90-degree corner clamp. The Wichun Woodworking clamp is a favorite among beginners and professionals alike. Made with a combination of durable ABS plastic and steel, it offers the perfect balance of strength and lightweight design. Its adjustable jaw capacity makes it ideal for various projects, from small crafts to larger furniture assemblies. The intuitive design ensures ease of use, even for those new to woodworking. Simply position your materials, tighten the jaws, and enjoy perfect alignment every time. The Wichun clamp is also one of the most affordable options on our list, making it a great entry-level choice for anyone looking to invest in quality tools without spending a fortune. TacLife Right Angle Clamp. Last but not least, we have the TacLife Right Angle Clamp, a heavy-duty tool designed for serious woodworkers. Made from cast aluminum, this clamp is built to withstand even the most demanding tasks. Its ergonomic handle provides excellent comfort during extended use, while the precision-engineered jaws ensure perfect alignment every time. One standout feature is the quick-release button, which makes adjustments quick and effortless. The TacLife clamp is versatile enough to handle wood, metal, and plastic, making it a great choice for a variety of projects. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this clamp delivers the durability and performance you need to elevate your woodworking skills. Thank you for watching. We've just reviewed the top 5 best right angle clamps, and as you've seen, each one brings unique features to the table. Whether you're looking for lightweight versatility or heavy-duty performance, there's a clamp here for everyone. Don't forget to check the description box and pinned comment for links to these amazing products. Having the right tools is essential for success, and investing in a quality clamp can make all the difference in your woodworking projects. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our reviews. Also, let us know in the comments which clamp you're excited to try, or if you have a personal favorite. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy woodworking.